So mele sibongele iKaizer Chiefs ngewini yayo izolo idla iDurban City. Leya win yeKaizer Chiefs izolo was very very important for their title race, because we need the Kaizer Chiefs to be there with title race, even if in actually by we top 3, as long as he there constantly toward until the end of the season. It is very very important, looking at the fact that also they are playing with CAF Confederations Cup and representing South Africa there, and we need our players able to be sharper in order for them to be ready to be selected for a national team. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. So ngabe nje umono omubukame kuthiwa iChiefs asiyibongeli after their winner izolo. It was one goal to 0, but it was a beautiful goal. Indlela ababuild up engakhona, and leya pass from uSirino ethola lapha uSilva ahlabenethi ngekhanda. That was a beautiful moment that they created. Yeka indaba ukuthi uHanti naye had ama mistakes wakhe in terms of selection approach leya game, because in my opinion I believe that uHanti could have done way better than what he did namhlanje. But it wasn't to be for Durban City. Now it's Maritzburg United, Durban City. But we know ukuthi iDurban City isa iMaritzburg United idlale iherigwala leya game ngolesihlanu ebusuku. Bengeke ibuye iChiefs lapho bafowethu. But nevertheless, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. It was a well-deserved win, and izocounta kakhulu as the league progresses, because we want the Kaizer Chiefs to be there amongst the local leaders ekwibhethu Premiership. Ngiyantanda kakhulu. This is Nevertheless Commentaries. Please do subscribe, comment, and also share our work. My name is Sipho Ndlovu. This is Nevertheless Commentaries. Bye bye.